Hi guys, welcome to my vlog Terbang Kemana with HODOPHILE of History as the theme of this YouTube channel. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this vlog in English version. I believe that traveling is one of the hobbies loved by people including me. As the title of my vlog, which is HODOPHILE of History, the main goal of my vlog is always to travel alone, while educating me with historical knowledge to know and understand differences and diversities. I am a solo traveler and have visited alone to some countries. However, during my past traveling experiences, I only took some photos and I did not have opportunities to go along with the audience to show my trip's journey. Since I love traveling and discovering different cultures, today I am so pleased that I am finally determined to share my trips around the world via my vlogs with you. I have been waiting to make come through this project, and I am so excited to be able to make it now. Yes, I'm ready, guys. Organizing well a trip, particularly to foreign countries, is not easy for some people, especially if one of the traveling goals is to educate ourselves with the history of each tourist attraction. For this reason, I would love to share with you this YouTube channel, HODOPHILE of History. This HODOPHILE of History is divided into introduction and content. Let me begin to explain the introduction, and we will look later at the content. The introduction is composed of 2 points: overview and previous trips. The first point overview informs you of the points and topics that will be shown, presented, and discussed on this YouTube channel. And this video that you are watching now is the first point overview of the introduction. The second point, previous trips, shows the photos taken during my previous trips a long time ago before this summer, with the name of country and city, and name and history of tourist attraction visited. I will be uploading these previous trips on this YouTube channel in the next few days. Now, please allow me guys to show you the country names of my previous trips a long time ago before this summer. The introduction of HODOPHILE of History has already been presented. Like I informed you before at the beginning, HODOPHILE of History had introduction and content. Now let's take a look at the content of HODOPHILE of History. This content is composed of 4 points. We begin with managing trip. In addition, tourist attraction, furthermore food, and the last but not least, tips. The point managing trip contains information on transport, accommodation, and district. The point tourist attraction contains information on itinerary, schedule, ticket, neighborhood, tourism place, and history. The point food contains a list of food to be tasted, ingredients, food history, restaurant, and price. I believe that food is one of the cultural parts of a country to be familiar with it. The point tips contains some advice, guide, recommendation, and suggestion. To build productivity, effectivity, and efficiency of travel. To avoid feudal excursions, which waste time, mind, money, and energy. Each point of my vlogs provides quite enough complete information about the tourist attraction. I hope it could inspire you to stay in control of your financial travel budget and get a leg up on the timing for traveling. If you follow the formula I reveal in my vlogs, I wish you could enjoy the rest of your excursion optimally and save more time and money, also get more historical knowledge. This summer, I decided to travel to different countries. And I visited many tourist attractions that I would like to share. Now the question is, when will you be able to watch my future vlog taken during this summer in the English version? The answer is that I will have uploaded step by step on my YouTube channel in the next few weeks, probably totally until 400 videos in the English version from 5 countries that I visited during the summer. Please note guys that all my future vlogs are available in 3 versions of different languages: English, French, and Bahasa. Creating a better organization of solo trips or without a travel agency is the goal that I would like to share with you through my vlog. Making a vlog like this will take me along to meet this goal, but I will do it with my passion and dignity to complete my intention. Before ending this overview point, I am inviting you to subscribe, like, share, and write your comments on my YouTube channel. Because it's free, but you will get appropriate information step by step of tourism places in this world. See you soon in a few days, guys. Bye bye.